So today for you guys I have a slightly different video, and if you can't tell, it has a lot to do with my eye color. So if you're interested to see all of the details, what contacts I'm wearing, and where I got them from, then make sure you keep on watching. So first of all, thank you so much for everybody that is tuning into this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss another upload from me. I try to upload at least once a week. So yeah, join the family, and 2019 is going to bring a lot of interesting videos and new content for you guys. So yeah, definitely make sure you are subscribed. So I was contacted by a company called Iris Beauty, and they are a company that specializes in contact lenses. They were founded last year, so they're fairly new. That's why you might not find a lot of stuff like as far as video reviews and things like that on them, but I was interested to see what they offer because I did have color contacts last year that I was wearing, and a few of you had reached out to me and asked me where they were from. And I didn't make a video on those, but I definitely wanted to make a video on these because I really love these contacts. So I'm just going to kind of talk to you guys a little bit about the contacts and what all came with the contacts and that sort of thing. So inside of the box you have a couple different things. You obviously get your contacts, and they are stored in airtight packages, one for each eye. So also that's something to note. If you have different prescriptions for each eye, you can definitely get your contacts customized. You also get a nice little contact holder, which I really like because when I get color contacts, I don't have anywhere to put them if you're not thinking about buying one of these things. So this comes in the box, which is very, very helpful. And then you also get an instruction manual. When I do color contacts, I like to just get no prescription, and then if I need to wear my glasses, I can use my glasses. So yeah, I got them in 0 prescription, and the color is Adore Brown. It gives all the specs on these contacts, and what I really like about these contacts is the expiration date. So my contacts that I have do not expire until November of 2023. So that's a really long time. If you take care of your contacts, you don't lose them, and you have proper maintenance for them, then you'll be able to have these babies for a really, really, really long time. So a few cool facts about this brand is, yes, these contacts are FDA approved. I know a lot of you guys wanted to know that first off the bat. So yes, FDA approved contacts. Like I mentioned, if you take care of them, you will have them for a really long time. They come in 20 gorgeous shades, so you can pick from almost any color that there is. And they can be, like I mentioned, prescription contacts, or they can be simply cosmetic. You just want to change your eye color, you don't have a prescription for your contact lenses, then you can get them like that as well. So a lot of you probably are wondering, are they comfortable? They're super comfortable. I am wearing them without any issues. They're easy to put on. I was able to put them on pretty easily, and I don't wear contacts that often. I was able to get these in no problem. And yeah, like I can't even feel that I'm wearing them. I really like the way they look. I feel like it's really hard for me to find color contacts that actually look good on dark eyes without spending a ton of money. I'm really blown away by these contacts for the price and just for how comfortable they are. I definitely would recommend them if you are looking to change up your look. I don't want to say that I would wear these every day because I probably wouldn't, but every now and then you want to change up your look a little bit, and I definitely would recommend these. So if you are looking for a change to your look, you're trying to just change it up a little bit and you want to do some color contacts, or if you like to wear color contacts all the time, then I definitely suggest checking them out. All the links will be in the description box down below, so make sure you click on it. And just for you guys, I have a special discount code, and I will also have that listed down below. It is Kara15. Make sure you use that discount code at checkout if you decide to purchase to get some extra monies off. As always, you guys, if you have any questions, definitely make sure you leave them down below in the comment area. I will always try to answer all of your questions to the best of my ability. So if you have anything for me, definitely leave it down there. Also, just leave me a comment and say what's up. I love hearing from you guys on a regular basis. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this from me, and hit that subscribe button. I am 200 away from 11K, and you know what that means. There may be another giveaway in the works. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and yeah, until my next video, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.